It's time for us to move on और मुझे लगता है कि seeing is believing लेकिन जब तक हम कुछ सुनेंगे नहीं तो हमें भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. Since we have amongst us the very celebrated director from Bollywood, he's come all the way from Bombay just to be here and support Manish right here for his beautiful show today. So firstly, welcome sir. We are so delighted to see you here. You look very handsome in Indian wear. Alright, as you all know, he's given Bollywood some of the biggest blockbusters and he's now coming up with yet another movie. But before that, he's here amongst us and sir, I would like to know, firstly, that you're here for Manish. Would you like to say something about Manish? I'm sure you know him better than us.
Good evening everybody, good evening Lucknow. It was great to be here. Manish Tripathi is a very dear old friend of mine. And he's from last 4 to 5 years. I keep wearing his stuff, lovely stuff. He gives the jackets and all. And young, dynamic, very talented guy. And I definitely want to encourage him. And when he told कि भैया last जो है, and I have to share this with all the Lucknow people over here. My promotion has been started from last 15 to 20 days. And this is the last in promotion of the we walking the ramp. This is the last. So I said last should be the best and it should be Lucknow. And thank you Manish to inviting me and my leading ladies from Calendar Girls. Thank you. It's a great honor for me to be here.
Well, they've definitely set the ramp on fire. All of them look absolutely stunning. And I would also now like to ask you, now that you look at your leading ladies, I'm sure Calendar Girls have them in a very different light. How do they look to you? How do you like the collection?
Completely different from the Mauritius beach to Lucknowi style, completely Lucknowi style. And thanks Manish for that absolutely amazing texture, amazing cuts and amazing dress. Super.
And now, sir, a bit about Calendar Girls. We can't let you leave without that.
Well, Calendar Girls एक ऐसी फिल्म है जिससे आप लोग ने हमेशा प्यार दिया है मेरी पिक्चर को. पेज 3, चांदनी बार, हीरोइन, फैशन और कैलेंडर गर्ल्स है. जो कैलेंडर गर्ल्स के पीछे की सच्चाई है जो हर लोग हमेशा उसके बारे में बात करते, चर्चा करते, उसके ऊपर है. एंड डेफिनेटली अ फिल्म विच इज़ अ वेरी हार्ड हिटिंग, रियल, इमोशनल, खुलासे वाली. तो आपको हर चीज़ को देखने मिलेगा विच डेफिनेटली वुड लाइक टू सी and here and girls all the 5 girls have absolutely superbly performed very well in the film. So 25th September, don't forget, जाके थिएटर में ज़रूर देखना कैलेंडर गर्ल्स. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for being here. But I think इस वक्त मनीष को भी कुछ बोलना चाहिए. He's a very shy designer. I must say he's one of the most talented designers I've ever seen in my life. And just to tell you all, the entire show, the costumes, the outfits, the clothing was put together in about 15 days. And that calls for an applause. I think he's absolutely phenomenal. He knows what he's doing. So Manish, firstly, a few words from Adurji and then a few words from you.
Thank you so much everyone for being here. First of all, thank you everyone for being here for me, and all I can say is thanks to all. I don't know what to say. Thanks, of course, man.
बहुत शर्मीला है, बहुत शर्मीला है.
I would say I was not designing for the film because I don't design those kind of outfits which were there required in Calendar Girls. So I told Madhur bhai that I am designing for you for such a long time. How would people know that I am associated with you? He said, okay, then do one thing. Come down the sets. Let's give you a small role. So you can also
He did a cameo.
So there, I was there, and thank you, Madhur bhai. You have always been helping me out and supporting me and encouraging me to do better and good. Thank you so much. Thank you to all my sponsors. Thanks to Rashmi auntie especially for always encouraging me, always motivating me, always supporting me in every way. And my parents, I don't needless to say about that. And everyone, I would say my elder brother who was here, Ashutosh bhaiya. Without him, I would have not able to do it. And Ashok uncle. I would want Ashok uncle and Rajiv uncle also to come on the stage.
राजीव जी इधर आइए प्लीज, आपको छोड़ेंगे नहीं. अशोक चतुर्वेदी जी प्लीज आइए. ये मैन ऑफ द मोमेंट, यार राजीव जी. राजीव जी इज बीन सच ए ओल्ड फैन ऑफ ग्रेट सपोर्टर. अनुराधा जी कहाँ है? आप बिना ये जोड़ी सलामत कैसे होगी? आइए जल्दी आइए अनुराधा जी, प्लीज आइए.
would also like to take this moment to thank a few people जिनके बिना शायद ये शाम नामुमकिन थी. We would like to thank our associate partners Uflex and Club One Air. The show was supported by UPEC. The beautiful and exotic and exquisite jewelry that you see all the models wearing, the beautiful calendar girls wearing, me wearing, has been sponsored by Lala Jugal Kishore. The celebration partner for this evening is Tiger Blanc in support with Round Table Conference. We would like to thank our sponsors for this evening, Supertech, Atlia Wagon, Ramayan Groups, Soptas, Sitari, JD Institute of Technology, Gyan Milk, Avika Groups, Swat Sweets, Design Circle,